Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make water pump control from two-place wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. 2A switch 1, 2A switch 2, indicator, water pump motor. Phase connection to 2A switch to common terminal. L2 connection from 2A switch 2 to 2A switch 1. L1 connection from 2A switch 2 to 2A switch 1. Common connection from 2A switch connection to water pump. Phase connection to indicator. Neutral connection to water pump motor. Neutral connection to indicator. Viewers, that was my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friends. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.